All right, let's talk NFL Sunday Ticket. You thinking about it for the season, right? But man, that price tag can really make you pause. So we are going to break it all down.
By the end of this, you'll know for sure if it's the right call for you and, most importantly, how to get the best deal you possibly can.
This is it. The multi-$100 question every single NFL fan has to ask themselves. Is Sunday Ticket really worth that much money? And look, there's no easy yes or no here. It all comes down to what kind of fan you are and, frankly, how you like to watch football.
So just think of this as your financial playbook for the season. We're going to run through the plays, break down what you actually get, what it's going to cost you, and, the best part, the strategies to save some serious cash. Okay, first things first. Before we even talk about value, we've got to get crystal clear on what you're really buying. We need to know what Sunday Ticket is and, just as importantly, what it isn't. Now this, right here, probably clears up the biggest conception out there. Sunday Ticket is not, I repeat, not an all-access pass to every single NFL game. The key phrase is out-of-market games. So say you're a Vikings fan stuck living in Florida. This is your golden ticket. But it means you don't get the big primetime national games, you don't get the playoffs, and you don't even get the local games you could probably get for free with an antenna on CBS or Fox. So how do you get it? It's actually pretty simple. You've got two main options. You can grab it as a standalone service directly through YouTube, or you can bundle it with a YouTube TV subscription, which is handy for getting those local and primetime games. Each path has its own price, which, brings us to the numbers. All right, deep breath. Let's talk money. This is where we lay out the whole financial picture so you know exactly what you're getting into before you hit that buy button. When it comes to paying, you've got a choice to make. You can go for the season pass, pay for it all up front or in a few installments, but either way, you're locked in for the whole season, or there's the newer month-to-month plan. And this really shows you the trade-off, right? That month-to-month option gives you the freedom to cancel whenever you want, which is awesome if your team, completely tanks by week 8 and you just can't bear to watch anymore. But that flexibility comes at a price, a much higher price each month. Oh, and here is a huge pro tip. If you're leaning towards that bundle, you have to remember you're also paying for the YouTube TV base plan. You might see a really great promo price to get you in the door, but, and this is a big but, those discounts usually don't last the whole season, so you've got to do the math for the total cost. Okay, we've established it's pricey. We get it. But that doesn't mean you have to pay sticker price. Now we get to the really good part, the actual strategies you can use to get a much, much better deal. So if you're a new customer, listen up. There are some pretty sweet discounts for YouTube Premium subscribers, military members, and students. And this is a huge one. If you're a Verizon customer, you need to check your plan right now. You might actually be able to get Sunday Ticket completely free. That's a total game changer.
But what about everybody else? What if you're a returning customer? Hey, don't worry, they didn't forget about you. Some people who had it last year got these targeted emails with amazing discounts, like this one for $144 off. So the big takeaway here, check your inbox.
Now, what if your inbox is empty? Don't give up just yet. Here's a great tip from Philip Swan over at TV Answer Man. Just try reaching out to YouTube's customer service. Seriously, some people are actually having success negotiating a lower price just by asking. It is absolutely worth a shot. I mean, what have you got to lose? But hey, let's be real. Even with discounts, Sunday Ticket can still be a big hit to the wallet. So what then? Well, don't worry, there's a fantastic, way more affordable alternative that still puts you right in the middle of all the Sunday action. Let me introduce you to NFL RedZone. Instead of watching full games, think of this channel as a highlight reel on steroids. But it's live. It just whips you around from game to game, showing you every single touchdown and all the huge plays right as they happen. It's basically 7 hours of commercial-free football focused only on the most exciting stuff. And the best part? Getting it is super easy. You can usually find it as a cheap add-on to almost any live TV streaming service, or you can get it all by itself with an NFL Plus premium subscription. It is the perfect choice for fans who want all the big moments without that big price tag. So there you have it. We've broken down the product, the price, the hacks to save money, and the big alternative. It's 4th and goal, time for you to make your final play call. Let's run through one final checklist. 1, be honest with yourself. What games do you actually want to watch? Make sure you're not paying for stuff you don't need. 2, calculate the total season cost. No surprises. 3, hunt down every single discount you might qualify for. Don't leave money on the table. And 4, seriously consider if NFL RedZone is actually a better, more budget-friendly fit for you.
You've got the playbook. Now the only question left is, what's it going to be? Which viewing option is going to be your MVP this season? The all-access pass of Sunday Ticket or the non-stop action of RedZone? The choice is all yours.